Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can convert any text in AutoCAD to a 3D object. As you can see here, I have converted some text to a 3D object. So for that, let's start with creating some text. For that, select top. Now I'm going to create a rectangle REC. Click anywhere and type @100, 50. We have created a rectangle of 100 by 50 units. Now I'm going to select multi-line text. You can use simple text, single line text, but by using multi-line text you can select any font or everything easily. Okay, for that type empty, click on upper left corner and lower right corner. So here we have multiple options to create text, from which we are going to select justification as middle center, and size for our text is 10 units. It's okay, and you can select any font here. Now we are going to type any text. You can type whatever you want. Okay, you click outside of the box, our text is ready. So now we have to convert this text to simple lines or polylines. Okay, for that we have to export this text. As you know about export command, but to export text we need a different export command. For that type txt exp. This is command for exporting text. This is called export text command. Okay, select text, hit enter. Now you can see our text has converted to lines and regions, polylines. Now you can convert this into 3D by using press pull command or by using extrude command. So we are going to use extrude command. For that type ext, enter. For height type 4 mm. You can see here we have created 3D text. So now we are going to join all these separate objects. Like, as you can see here, U is formed by two objects, 3D objects. So we are going to union these all objects. For that type U and I, and it says select objects, select all objects and hit enter. Now this is a single 3D object, solid. Okay, so again we are going to extrude this rectangle. For that type ext, select rectangle. Now we type, if we type 3 or 4, if we give it a positive value, it will be extruded to upwards. If we type -4 or 5, it will create an object downwards. See here. Now you can select any color for your text, because your text is converted to a 3D object now. You also can subtract this text from this base plate. Okay, we are going to change its color by going to properties. You can give it any color you want. Like this. Now select top view again, and we can subtract this text from this base plate. For that we are going to create a copy of this. Select cd command, create a copy. Now select front view or any other view, left or right view. Now we have to move this text inside of this block, like select move command and turn on ortho mode by pressing F8. Place it downwards and type 3. Now you can subtract this text from this base 3D object. For that we are going to select SU subtract command. Now select base plate, hit enter and select text object and hit enter. You can see there's a cavity of text inside our base 3D object. Thanks for watching.